Hey everybody, Crystal with Crystal Clear College Planning. I am here to talk to you about letters of recommendation. It is that crazy thing that it is already that time of the year for juniors to start thinking about who they're going to ask. So I have 5 tips for your student in order to be successful in regards to asking for letters of recommendation. So the first one is choose the right people. Really thinking about who's going to know you best. So teachers or somebody within an extracurricular activity, a coach, an employer, that sort of thing. And then of course, giving them enough time to actually write it. Most people are going to say, hey, we want to have about a month to be able to write the thing. Second is making that official formal request. So that would be reaching out to them in person or via email and seeing if they will be able to write you that letter of recommendation. Here is your timeline tip. Juniors are asking now for those letters of their teachers, especially because they have a short list. Teachers don't want to write, like 100 of these. So if they're good, then they're going to make sure that they have a short list of students that they're going to be able to write those letters for. And then what's going to happen is you're going to work on step number 3, which is providing your supporting materials. So over the summer, we say then your job is to work on your brag sheet or your resume and be able to submit that back to your teachers or your coach or your employer so that then they can elaborate on those things that make you shiny and pretty. And yet again, going back to thinking about who knows you in different areas of your life. So you can ask those variety of people and different people can attest to your leadership skills or for your strength in regards to overcoming stuff within academics, etc. And then you're going to follow up with them. So tip number 4 is when you get back to school in September, you're going to go follow up with those teachers and say, hey, I just wanted to check in to see when you were going to be able to write my letter of recommendation for application. And then on the back end of that is these people are taking their wonderful time to do this for you. So let's make sure that we're giving them a thank you. Old school, doing a handwritten note, super nice, shooting them an email, making them cookies, doing whatever it is that makes you happy that you can share your gratitude. And then you're going to, number 5, use those letters strategically when it comes to your applications. So each college is going to say 1 is recommended, 2 is required, whatever their number is for them. And whether that's going to be, it has to be an academic teacher, or you can submit somebody that is an employer or in that other non-academic category. And so yet again, you're showcasing those different aspects of your strengths and achievements. So you're going to be submitting each of them to your schools accordingly. And all of that is done electronically. So we work on that over the summer, making sure students understand how to upload those into their common application during our boot camps. But these are some great tips in terms of getting your student thinking about letters of recommendation and what they need to do in regards to this process. So you guys have a great one, and I'll see you next time.